Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a circle. Really simple. So we're going to come up here to the top. Now you can either type in the command circle, or we have the different ways of doing it. So you've got center, radius, center, diameter. So depending on what you're what you're measuring, if you're doing a diameter, we'll go for that. So I'll just specify a point. Let's zoom right in here so we can get a decent size. So let's say the diameter is 50, just type in 50, and there you go. That is how you draw a circle. Please like and subscribe.